Good morning, good evening, everybody. Next 10 minutes to 20 minutes, we are going to learn a technique which everybody actually looking for in their life. And this technique is Amar Kriti, the process of immortality. It's a technique many of the schools they teach it, this technique, and this technique is related to actually creating a want of oxygen and giving oxygen to the body with full force. The technique consists of three different techniques, which is a combined technique. The prerequisite, those people who have high BP or having heart trouble, they should please contact doctor, and then only they should follow this technique. Those people who have any challenges in throat, currently they should not do this technique, and those people having a trouble specifically in circulatory system or stomach, they should wait till that trouble goes away and then only they should do this technique. This technique should not be followed in any of the air which is a kind of polluted or there is a dust. No, this should not be followed, right? So first, let us be in a lotus position. So let's fold our legs in lotus position and sit straight with the vertebral column straight, backbone straight. And the first part of the technique is the Kapalbhati we have to do. The second part is that we need to do Uddiyana, and the third part we need to do Vayusar. Okay, so let's do one by one and then do completely without interfering or without talking anything. So let's do first Kapalbhati. So let's do Kapalbhati 24 times first. The Kapalbhati by both the nose should be done, but as it is cold now here in India, I'll do Kapalbhati with right nostril. Take a deep breath, and with right nostril closing the left nostril, let's start Kapalbhati. So 24 times Kapalbhati and breathe out completely. Lock your chin and just set the Uddiyana lock where you are pulling your tummy in Jalandhar Bandh and also Mool Bandh. So it will become Mahabandh. But major concentrate on Uddiyana till you feel that no more you can hold that Uddiyana Bandh. Slowly just open the Jalandhar Bandh, and then we need to have Vayusar. So here just with a small hole creation in your mouth around the tongue, both the lips, they should be rounded form, and then just suck the complete air through mouth and gallop it, swallow it, and very slowly breathe out. Again Vayusar. And breathe out. Again Vayusar. Breathe out. Let's do it again. let's start with Kapalbhati. This time, let's start with Kapalbhati with both the nostril. And then breathe out completely. Lock the chin. Jalandhar Bandh, Mool Bandh, and also Uddiyaan Bandh. Complete breathe out. No more breath inside. Lungs are empty. Uddiyaan Bandh. Completely devoid of oxygen. Body is striving for oxygen. Once you feel that it's very nauseating, I'm not able to now sustain, come back before the headache start, and then Vayusar. Let's do Vayusar 6 times. So how to do Vayusar? Breathe in through mouth, swallow the air, and breathe out through nose. Again, last one. So this was a process of Amar Kruti. Now this particular process of Amar Kruti should be done once you have done your asanas, and then you can follow this Amar Kruti process. Very important points. There should be Mool Bandh, there should be Jalandhar Bandh, proper Jalandhar Bandh should be there, and at the same time there should be Shuddhi Kriya to be done, like the Neti should be done, your nose should be clean, and then only better go for Amar Kruti. Otherwise, during the Vayusar, it may lead to lack of oxygen or breathe in oxygen through mouth. So that may lead to a problem. Yes, that was the Amar Kruti.
Thank you so much, friends. Please advise your suggestions in comment box.